Where are you calling from?
from Abuja.
Wow. Okay.
I've been watching your videos, man. I've really learned a lot from you.
Oh wow. That makes sense.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
myself and my girlfriend, we
Wow.
always watch you.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
This is like a very good note for me to like end my live streaming tonight. This is like so inspiring. That's what
No,
I'm
for
doing.
real, like you inspire me sometimes. Most times, like when I want to like feel motivated, I just go to your page.
Wow. Wow. So my Vincent is showing me your videos, and there's something similar with what you are doing and what I do. So when I'm advertising cars, there's a way I shoot my videos, and he's showing me your videos now, and he's saying exactly the same way, and I'm looking at it and I'm smiling. Wow. So you sell cars?
Yeah, I do. I even have like my page, my business page.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. No problem. I will holler at you after the live streaming. I will holler at you. So we could meet up and we'll talk more first.
Right
We'll
now.
talk more. Meet up. I'm really like thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I don't know if I like give a shout out to my girlfriend.
Hey, I like this boyfriend. Oh, Jesus! Lord, this is so sweet. This is so sweet.
Good and faithful.
This is so sweet. Fumi, you felt it, right?
I felt
Ah, please, what's your name? What's your name?
Like
Yeah,
my actual name is Zakaria,
and you have an accent.
but that's how I talk. I
Oh
just
wow, your English language is clean. Zachariah. So is she listening right now?
I don't know. I share the life to her. She's
Oh,
actually like having calm right now.
sure. What's her name?
you clearly thought
She's
about
not
What?
feeling too well.
What's her
But I
name?
just share the life to her.
Okay, what's her name? What's her name? What's her name?
Just call her normal.
Norma. Ah, this guy, did bust my brain. I see person will get my mindset today. Jesus, Jesus. Ah, you bust that. Hey, Kai, this is amazing. God. Ah,
Yeah, like we
bro,
do watch it together. For real, I'm serious.
bro,
She's
like
here. She's in the comment section.
you are amazing.
Just give her a shout out, please.
I'll do that. I'll do that. Like you are amazing. You're amazing. Unoma. Unoma, you have an amazing boyfriend. Please marry. I'm speaking from a male's perspective. Like, you know what? I need to do a special video for her. I would do like a video. Yeah. I'll do a
Oh,
video.
I'll be glad.
Yeah.
I'll be
I'll,
glad.
I'll do a video. I'll do a video. I'll do a video. I'll do a video. Wow. Wow. I need to talk to her like directly on behalf of you. Ah, it's difficult to see guys that are real like this, that are like this. It's difficult. This is a great trait. Like you're looking out for her. Not only did you send her the live, like you came online to like just to do something for her, like just hey, God, God.
Yeah, like she's battling with cramp right now.
I know, right? I heard you, right? So I'm thinking like,
I just want her to be happy, to feel better.
hey, fool me, melt for me, help me,
I'm going to talk to
help,
your for video.
like help me. Hey, this is sweet.
That's very intentional.
Like, this guy is amazing. Show me his picture. Let me show to them. I know they would have checked his profile, right? Well, no, this guy is amazing. This guy is amazing.
Fine boy.
No, this guy is amazing. This guy is amazing. No. This is inspiring. Like ah, no. This is inspiring. Oh, I've seen you. I've seen you. This is inspiring.
Who is buying you?
Ah, this is inspiring.
You're late.
Bro, it's you I'm still meditating on. Like these are the things I teach all the time. Like I teach it all the time. If the guys are okay, the ladies will be okay, bro. Mona just get sense. Not be women be the problem. Now men be the problem. Now men. Men no one be. Just be a man. Just do what you're supposed to do. Guess go do all right. Ah, like you just blew my mind tonight. We there here they find one sweet girl when we go treat like this. Oh,
I feel this like
go
I
ahead,
feel
bro.
this niggas like commenting all this thing. I feel they don't have like the mental. I don't know how to put it, but things, they can't comprehend the things you see online. That's why they're seeing all these things they're seeing.
I know, right? I know,
I'm
right?
so happy, like, I'm among the lucky ones that can comprehend the things
Where do you worship?
you understand. No, I'm a Muslim.
So how did you get this mindset? What books do you read? Who do you listen to? Like, I'm wondering, where did you get... What?
I listen to you, like, I watch you most times.
Oh, this mindset is amazing. It's real, man. This is what I've been seeing. Wow. Bro, you blew my mind. I must see you. I must see you this. Can I see you this week? No. Let's see you on Sunday. Okay, I'll holler at you, Sha. After this, I'll reach out to you. Wow. Okay, so Norma, in case you are watching, your boyfriend loves you so much. Like, hey, please don't even listen to another guy. This guy loves you. The proof, he has broken all the barriers. There's no other proof. I'm talking to you as another guy. He loves you, Norma. He loves you. This one, forget the one he's telling you with his mouth. I love you. I know you want that one, but they tell you now. This guy loves you. It's so hard for a guy to come live or any platform to say, my babe, my girlfriend. And I intentionally said, what's her name? Intentionally. And he gave me a name.
Yes.
He did not want to call another name. You know those pranks they would do. Say, what's your girlfriend's name? Now call another girl. The girl will say, No. How, Norma? I beg. Norma, please. I'll see do another video for you tomorrow. I will do another video. Clean one. No, I will do another video. I'll post it. You'll see it tomorrow morning. Then, Fumi, please, can you help me do a video too, please? Let's just do this get good. Please. Oh, the sisterhood. Go ahead. But tomorrow, what I'm saying is that after this one you are doing now, tomorrow, I want you to do another one, like a short video, like 30 seconds video, 15 seconds. Like, thank you so much.
We are proud of it.
I want to get a laptop. I don't know if you can recommend a good one for me.
Yeah, no, that's no problem, bro. We'll talk privately. Yeah? We'll talk privately. Not it means that I finish this live now. I'll talk with you. Send me a DM also, but I already seen your name. I'll talk with you.
Because like my girlfriend, she DM'd someone that's laptop, so
okay.
I don't know. Maybe we'll just wait for you.
Yeah, no. I'll tell you what to do. I'll ask you a lot of questions. No, I'll ask you a lot of questions. I'll ask you questions. So from the questions, I will now know what is befitting. Do you understand?
What is befitting?
Yes, depending on what you want to do and the rest of them. So we'll talk privately.
Sorry, disrespect. I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
How old are you? Sorry, I don't know how to disrespect you.
No, we're on live. I can't say that.
No, just give me a ring. Early 20.
No, it's late.
My early 20s.
Early 20. That's nice.
You know, I listen to Raymond so much, so what do you expect? I listen to him almost all the time.
Raymond, take your flowers.
God. This guy is blowing my mind. You just blow my mind. Blow my mind. Fumi, who is there?
I was like, I'm glad if we talked about the laptop on live, because she's here, so you can just listen.
She's here now.
So we could go and do consultation.
Norma is here. Let's look for Norma. Norma, where are you? I must look for you. My time is up. I have 1 more minute, but... What? Norma, I can't see any Norma here. I'm seeing Neni. Is it Neni? Neni. Okay. No, I've seen it when she did that in her profile picture. Shy Neni. But I've seen that name before. That means I've seen that in my life before. I've seen that name in my life before. Let me see her profile. I've seen that name in my profile. I've seen that particular name on my live stream. Okay, no wala. So Norma, since you are here, this is what we'll do. So how do I, since I need to ask questions now, okay, let me ask you the questions. You should have the answers. Let me ask you the questions. So what does she want to use the laptop for?
She wants wants to learn Web3.
Oh, Web3. So basically Web3, right?
I don't know, but she talks about like the pro part of it.
Okay, now there are basically two categories of laptops, right? There is the ones you can use for soft stuff, things that are not tough. Then there's the one that you can use for hard stuffs like video editing, audio editing, sound engineering. Those are heavy graphic stuffs. So those ones, you need a graphic laptop. They call them gaming laptops. Those are high-end laptops, powerful, strong laptops. Do you understand? Then if you want to do something like Web3, which is just basic social media marketing, I can add graphic design. Anyway, you don't really need like a very high graphic laptop to do graphic design. Maybe graphic design, digital marketing, all of the digital marketing things, emails, managing.
It's like the glasses, it looks like something that has a camera. I don't know.
No. My glasses are anti-Blu-ray glasses. Like, so okay, it's reflecting. Oh, it's a reflection. No, my glasses does not have camera. These are just for screens. I always stay on the screen. I'm always on my laptop and on my stuff, so just to protect my eyes. Yeah. So, all right. Okay, you want to go for me? Few more minutes. Don't worry, we'll soon leave. Just please stay there a bit. Yeah. So, we're not doing graphic laptops. So we'll do a Dell. You say you want a Dell, right? So you do Dell Inspiron. Any of the
Sorry, come again.
Dell Inspiron. Any of the Dell Inspiron will be okay. But what I'll do now is that now that I've told you, go look for the Dell Inspiron. Show me the ones you like, because there are some. We have the sleek ones. We have different types. We have the silver. We have the dark colors. Just pick any one you like. Send it to me. I'll look at it. I'll say, okay, this is good. Then the price range and everything. So I'll let you know. So, ladies and gentlemen, Norma, your boyfriend loves you so much. That's how I'm ending today. Gloria, thank you so much. What's your name again? Disrespect. What's your name? Ezekiah.
Just call me Zach.
Dak. Zach. Okay, Zach. Thank you. So, Fumi, like you are the best tonight. You are just something else. All right, thank you so much. I will DM everybody not everybody, most people that participated in this live section. I'm grateful. This is the best live section for me. Have a good night rest. Bye-bye. Yeah. Wow. Oh no. Today is amazing.